That is absolutely vile. What is the best microwavable burger? Let's find out. Why the hell am I having a cheeseburger that's made of separated chicken meat and beef? God, I hope I'm not sick after eating this. Okay. This soggy bun is awful. God knows what this is doing to your gut. For now, I'm just gonna stick this in the middle. I reckon there's worse to come, but surely it gets better than this. It has to. Next up is the Speed Feast. Definitely better than the last one. This goes one above it. Here we've got the Quicksters Quarter Pounder. Oh God. What the hell is this bun? I can't believe I'm still gnawing on a bun. If anybody can get through a bun, it's me. And it's going to the back of the line. The next one is a plant-based microwavable burger. The Meatless Maverick. This one has a real scent to it, I must say. What is that? I'm actually scared to eat that. That's disgusting. That is absolutely vile. I am ranking this right at the bottom. This thing should not be served to anybody. It's time for the Rustlers burger, arguably one of the most famous ones. Let's see how the Rustler burger goes. Yoo-hoo! It's the one that I could see myself finishing the most. All right, so my winner is of course the Rustler burger, and hopefully that settles the famous microwavable burger debate.